Method for Task 1, Topic Development. How can we come up with ideas and examples quickly? Let's apply the Persuasive formula, point, reason, example, specific, impact. This formula is a powerful method to organize your ideas clearly and logically in speaking task 1. It helps you explain your opinion step by step with strong support and specific details. Each part of the formula builds on the previous one to show not just what you think, but also why you think it and how your example proves your point. First, clearly state your position for effective communication. Decide if you agree or disagree with the statement. Or with prefer questions, decide what you prefer. Here is the question. Do you agree or disagree that technology has a bad impact on relationships between friends and family? Tip: choose the side that you can easily explain with personal examples, even if it's not your true opinion. Example: I disagree with the statement that technology has had a negative effect on relationships between friends and family. 2. Identify a clear and focused reason. Think of one specific reason that supports your position. Avoid general reasons like, it's convenient or it's bad. Your reason should explain why you feel a certain way. Let's focus on how to find a strong reason. Ask yourself, why do I feel this way? How has this issue affected me personally or others around me? Tip: use categories like communication, emotional connection, or problem solving to help brainstorm specific reasons. Example: one of the reasons why I think technology is positive is because it allows people to stay in touch and share experiences instantly, even if they live far apart. 3. Example: find a specific personal example with simple ideas. Personal examples make your point relatable and memorable. Think of a real event from your life or the life of someone you know that shows this reason in action. If you can't think of a personal example, create a realistic situation. Now, let's focus on how to find a specific example. Ask these questions. Have I experienced this myself? How did this reason play out in my daily life? When did something similar happen to me or someone I know? Consider past events for insight. Tip: make sure your example includes who, what, when, and how it happened. Example: for instance, when my cousin moved abroad to Australia, we used video calls weekly to catch up. It was just like sitting together, even though we were far away. We often showed each other what we cooked for dinner that day, shared tips about new recipes, and sometimes gave each other a virtual tour of our homes to stay connected to each other's daily lives. 4. Specific impact. Explain the effect of the example. After sharing your example, explain how it proves your reason. Describe the effect or benefit and why the example supports your argument. Let's focus on how to explain the impact. Ask yourself, what happened as a result of the situation? Make it clear how the example proves your point. Tip: focus on the emotional or practical outcome. Here is the impact. Because of technology, we were able to stay close and share important moments in our lives even though we were in different countries. This made our relationship stronger. I disagree with the statement that technology has had a negative effect on relationships between friends and family. One of the reasons why I think this way is that technology allows people to stay in touch and share experiences instantly even when they are far apart. For instance, when my cousin moved abroad to Australia, we used video calls weekly to catch up. It was just like sitting together, even though we were far away. We often showed each other what we cooked for dinner that day, shared tips about new recipes, and sometimes gave each other a virtual tour of our homes to stay connected to each other's daily lives. Because of technology, we were able to stay close and shared important moments in our lives, which made our relationship stronger. Summary of the formula. First point, clearly state your opinion. Do you agree or disagree? Or what do you prefer? Second, find a specific reason why you hold this opinion. Next, provide a personal or realistic example that supports your reason. Specific impact. Explain how the example proves your reason. Thanks for watching. Ask Sherlyn if you have any questions.